Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest tech gadgets in the market. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the HP Spectre x360 13-inch 10th generation laptop. First and foremost, let's talk about the design. This laptop has a sleek and elegant look with a gem-cut design and a dark ash silver finish. It's made of durable materials and has a weight of only 2.87 pounds, making it easy to carry around. The HP Spectre x360's 360-degree hinge allows you to use the laptop in multiple modes, including tablet, tent, and stand mode, providing flexibility for any task. Comfortable typing experience, while the touchpad is responsive and accurate. The laptop also features a built-in webcam and microphone, perfect for video conferences and online classes. The battery life of the HP Spectre x360 is impressive, with up to 12 hours on a single charge. This makes it ideal for those who need to use their laptop for extended periods of time, without having to worry about running out of battery. Overall, the HP Spectre x360 13-inch 10th generation is a top-of-the-line laptop that combines power, versatility, and style. It's perfect for those who need a high-performance laptop for work or play, while also providing a comfortable user experience and long battery life. If you're in the market for a premium laptop, the HP Spectre x360 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our review of the HP Spectre x360 13-inch 10th generation laptop. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.
Oh